Today we are making one of the absolute treasures of Istanbul street food, balık dürüm, the legendary spiced fish wrap. Before we dive into the recipe, I have to show you where the inspiration comes from. Let's take a quick trip down to Karaköy. Here we are in Karaköy, the absolute heart of the city's fish culture. This isn't just your standard fish in bread. This is a smoky grilled mackerel fillet, loaded with a unique spice mix, sumac onions, hit with a drizzle of sweet pomegranate molasses.
Ne zamandır var burası?
And tightly pressed inside a thin lavash until it's incredibly crispy. While they were preparing my durum, I chatted with this kind, helpful man and lady to get every single detail on exactly how they make it.
Sarıyoruz üstünü şöyle şekil. Balık sosu, üstüne de baharat. Size geriye kalan yemek kalıyor.
Çin tuzu da var. Olabilir. Ama bu
Toz biber var ya. Tamam.
anladım.
O var. Bir de sıvı yağ var.
Soya sosu koyuyor musun? O balık baharatını nereden bulabilirim?
Çıkar mı? Çok da ilgilenen oldu da. Balık.
Burada yiyeceğim ben. Tamam. Buyurun.
Teşekkür ederim. Okay, here we are, the famous Karaköy dürümcüsü, balık dürüm and turşu. I'm gonna try. Now let's give it a try. I don't see the fish yet. Let's see. The spice is really nice. The grilled bread tastes beautiful with the spice together. Let me show you. So it has grilled mackerel fish, boneless. It is crispy but still juicy, and you can really taste it beautifully. And the mix of salad, sumac also, and the spice mix is they don't really tell you, but it has kekik, oregano, cumin, chili flakes, pul biber, and paprika. İyi yapmışlar. The tea is compliment. So you can ask for it. The durum was really nice, not very heavy, it was light, crispy outside and a little bit spicy, not too much. The spices are nice. You can still get the taste of the fish, not overpowered. I don't know if it's different in other parts. I stroll a little bit around the Karaköy Pier, also stopped at the famous one they sell on street. But there were ready fishes already waiting to wrap up. They didn't seem very fresh. I prefer to come here. It's very clean looking. You can sit down, have the Bosphorus view. And now let's go back home and try this fish wrap, balık dürüm at home. It was truly delicious, something more than I expected. And I'm gonna show you how you can make. Let's get started. So here are our ingredients. We have a mackerel fish. These are ready frozen here in Turkey. When it's the season, you can buy it fresh. I just thawed, pat dry after washing. It still has the bones intact. I'm gonna take them out after I fry them. And then we're gonna use these breads, beautiful. These are whole wheat. You can use any wrapping bread. For the fresh greens, I have some lettuce, onion and red pepper. Lettuce with extra mint. It's optional. Pomegranate molasses, soy sauce, it's optional again, and of course olive oil. For the spices, we're gonna make two different spice mix. One will be a sauce and one a dry spice mix. Oregano, paprika, chili flakes, pul biber, black pepper. Sumac, isot pepper, this is smoky pepper, and paprika again. So first I'm going to cut my onion, just halfway slice it, and going to slice the red peppers and saute them. Let's not forget these parts. Use as much as possible for zero waste cooking. I'm gonna place them into my pan. Drizzle some olive oil. Going to saute these and add a little bit pomegranate molasses and soy sauce. These are somewhat soft, not gonna wait. I want them to be al dente, so this is enough. I have my sauteed onion and red peppers here and the mackerel fish. So what I'm gonna do next is to take out the bones of it. You can do like one by one, or if there is a big one, I'm just gonna take it out completely, like so, and then check for the small ones. Okay, I debone my fish. Next, the important spice mix. I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon each salt, chili flakes, pul biber, oregano, black pepper, and paprika. Sometimes they use cumin. It's up to you. Just going to add a touch of it and give it a mix. So our spice mix is ready. Next, for the sauce, I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil here. This we gonna brush the bread wraps. Paprika again. Can think of half a teaspoon. Chili flakes. Sumac. Gonna give sourness. And isot pepper. Just going to mix everything, and our beautiful sauce to brush the wraps is ready. And the final thing before we wrap everything is to slice our greens. Finely chop a little bit. You can also place them like this, but let's keep this original. When it's the season during winter, you can add grated carrots, red cabbages, it's up to you. Or arugula also goes well. Today I'm not gonna use. Just have some fresh mint, so I'm gonna also use them. Yes, this is also ready. Now I can get my wraps. I'm going to first place the chicken, season them with the spice mix. On top of it, going to add the greens, sauteed onion and red pepper mix, and wrap them. You can do the final check for the bones if there is any left. The spice mix. Then the greens. A little bit salt on top. And then the sauce. I decided to change the rotation because the ones on the street were longer. So I want to have that look too, hopefully. You can also brush the side so it seals it. And I'm ready to sizzle it up again. Bismillah. Okay, this looks beautiful, crispy. I'm gonna serve you one of it to show. Going to get some paper. Okay, I'm ready to taste it for you. Now let's give it a try. How the homemade's gonna taste. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's not forget the lemon. Perfect. If you want, you can even get more spices. It's really delicious. It's up to you. When you first try the pickle juice, the pickling juice, it might be different. It's sour, it's salty, it's pickle juice, but it's fermented. A little bit hot because I mixed them too, but it goes perfect with this. It really matches really well. The fish is so perfect. The outside is crispy. The sauteed red pepper and onion sauce is also very good. And it's very easy to make at home. So I'm gonna continue now with my family to enjoy this. I highly recommend you also try this. Let me know what else you would want me to try as a Turkish street food or other dishes. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Afiyet olsun.